Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds AirPods 3 Pro. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable, connect adapter to the power. Then at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And now the most important is this LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Second option is to use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second USB-C cable to your charging case. And again we have the LED light, so it also works. Third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port, and it looks like this. So I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my earbuds, and USB-A cable I will connect to my PC. But as I said previously, you can connect with another device what have USB-A port. And let's check the LED light. We have it, so it's also charging your earbuds. Also, these earbuds support wireless charging. So we can use reverse wireless charging or wireless charging station to charge your earbuds. Let's get started with wireless charging station. We need to connect the station to the power, and then we can put these earbuds at the charging station, and we have the LED light. Now let's check reverse wireless charging. So your phone should support this technology to use it. Then you can go to the settings, then scroll down, and you need to find battery. In the battery, click at the battery share, and we need to enable this mode. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at your phone. And also we have the LED light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.